Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a video that I didn't thought of doing, but I guess why not. I just hope the result will be good. So I decided I want to decorate Elizabeth's overall that I just bought. I know I usually just do baking videos, but I like to try different things. I really like to do things like crafty, so let's try it. The main thing here, as you can see, is that, I mean, you cannot see, but the buttonhole here is not short enough, so I have to add a buttonhole around here. I took the measurement, so you saw the top one, so I have to do that. I never did it, but I watched tutorials on YouTube, and hopefully I'll be able to do it. And then I want to embroider, how do you say, embroider some flowers here. That's Elizabeth that just drops her water. Some flowers here in the front part of this pocket, and in the back here I don't really know what I want to do. If I want to write something, I want to put some strawberries, since inside here the line, do you say the lining? The line, I'm not sure how you call this inside fabric. Yeah, strawberries. So I'm not sure what I want to do, but it's gonna be a long time before I get to the back. So let's start with the buttonhole and see how it goes. To do this project, obviously I need Elizabeth's overall here, and then here I have two different kinds of needle. One is the small one. I know this is not very professional, but that's what I have at home. Is the regular, like the needle you use for everything. I'm gonna use this color to do the buttonhole. And then to do the embroidery, to decorate, I'm gonna use the same one as I used to cross stitch, which is another passion of mine. It's a thicker needle. That's what you usually use to do this kind of things. And I use this other thread, which this is the brand. This is the brand of the thread I'm gonna use to decorate, to embroider. And I have many colors, so I'll see which one I'm gonna use, because I use it for cross stitch. And last thing I'm gonna use, I think, is this double seam ripper, which I'm gonna use to open the fabric in the buttonhole. I saw it using it in the tutorial, but I think you can just use scissors as well. Let's get started. Okay, so I didn't really shoot the first buttonhole that I made. I don't know, okay, because Elizabeth was in the way, so it was hard for me to shoot it and sew at the same time. But I did something wrong, obviously. Here it's very thick because it's double the fabric, and it was very hard for me to sew, so I saw it here good, you see, but here it didn't go all the way through. I just took just one layer. I don't know if it makes sense. So I'm gonna try to fix it as good as I can, even though I don't know, it's probably not gonna be the best. But the good thing about the buttonhole is that you see how it goes inside. Okay, so you don't really see it, because you see here's the button, and you do it like this, you button like this, so it's inside. So that's not a big deal if it's not perfect. But I'm just gonna secure it here on this side, so it doesn't get ruined, if it makes sense. So it should be secured now. You see, I saw all around it, and here's the front. So let's try put the button in. It works, and that's all we need. So first buttonhole done. Let's do the second one. So I'm continuing my second buttonhole. Again, the fabric is so thick that I can't always go all the way through, I mean, my finger is already like kind of dying. It's so hard, but I'm almost done. See, here I got something wrong because it's thinner. I don't know. That's fine. And double error. By mistake, I saw this part too on it. But that's fine again. I'm not gonna be picky. I swear to God, this like fabric is so hard because it's double. I'm killing my fingers and I'm sweating like a pig. Very nice to say that in camera. Okay, so I'm done both sides, the front and the back. Hopefully, I know this is thinner, but we'll hold on. So now it's time to cut it. I'm gonna use this, okay, to cut it. Let's try with the button. Done! Unfortunately, I saw this in too, but whatever. But you see, it works. Yes! Here's the two buttonholes. They're not the same, but I made them. So let's move on to the embroidery. So now I started embroidery the back. I decided I'm gonna write a hello word. I wrote the hello, and here with a pencil, I don't know if you can read it, I wrote word, and I think I'm gonna do every letter a different color. I'm so tired, it's like 11 p.m. but I think I'm gonna finish this and do the flowers in the front tomorrow. Now I'm using the other needle, the one that is thicker. I'm gonna use this one that it's for the cross stitch, it separates, and I'm just gonna use 3 threads. So I just finished the back that says hello world, and I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna finish the front tomorrow. I sweated so much to do this. It seems so silly, but it took me like an hour and a half just to write this. Time to go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Bye. So today's day number 2, and I'm gonna do the flowers here in the front. I drew a little scheme of how I want to do it. I want to do 5 flowers, all different colors here in the front. Very easy, very small, because I'm not that good. So let's see how it comes. I'm going to do the stems first and then do the flowers. Let's go. So all the stems are done, and now I'm gonna make the flowers. I'm gonna put like just a regular flower here, hopefully lavender here, some kind of tulip, I would say, a sunflower, and a daisy. So hopefully that's how they're gonna look. Let's do it. So the battery of my camera died, but I was charging it. In the meantime, I finished 2 flowers, the lavender and this kind of like, I don't know, I think it's a tulip, even though it doesn't really look like a tulip. Now it's time to make the sunflower. So for the last flower here, it's a daisy. I decided I don't want to use white, but I want to use this thread that I have. So as you see, it's all different colors. It changes color every few inches. So it's very cute, and the flower is gonna be all colorful. So let's do it like that. So all the flowers are done. I'll put some photos, maybe you'll see them better. But since I'm never satisfied, I bought these buttons here, very cute. And there are 2 little flowers, so I'm gonna open them now. Then I wanna put 2. Okay, very cute. So I think I wanna put them here between these 2 real buttons, and that's it. I promise. Put the first button. It's not super even, but that's fine. It's obviously handmade, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Let's put the second one. And the second button is here in too. And that's it for the overall. I'm exhausted. It's been 2 days, but it was super fun and I really wanted to do it. Tomorrow I'll put it on Elizabeth. Hopefully it looks good. We're gonna go to the park, maybe take some photos or some videos that I'm gonna put now. And sorry for my face, but I hope you enjoy watching it, and maybe I inspired you to do some homemade decoration too. Thank you for watching again, and if you liked it, please leave a like and a comment. Thank you. Bye.